FX Nation, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're just going to do a quick video of the setups that we had yesterday in during our London session here. And it's pretty interesting, actually, that we actually had very similar setups pretty much on all the pairs that we traded. So very cool to see this. Doesn't happen often, but it definitely makes it a lot easier when you see these. So, all right, so let's just go ahead and start with pound USD, and here we have the Asian range here, and then we see that they started to make their false move up, and we ended up getting a nice little move up, back down, a retest, and then we made the formation down. So we had a type 1 setup with an M pattern in the middle of the London session. And the cool thing is, just like yesterday, we ended up the second leg of it was on railroad tracks here with these two bars. So very nice setup here. That setup produced about 130 pips. So definitely not too bad. Not too bad at all. Next one is pound CAD. And you can see pretty much the same thing. Very tight Asian range. This Asian range here was only maybe like 10 pips, about 17 pips or so. So very tight Asian range, and we see the initial move up, and then same thing. Initial move up, came back down, came back up to retest that same high, and then dropped. So we got the M pattern again, second leg again, railroad track. Okay. So this one here was another 130 pips. Next one, pound Swiss, very similar. Again, same thing. Asian range very tight. They made their initial move to go high, and we have move up, came back down, came up, and then we had our M formation there. So another type 1 M formation. This one actually, on the second leg, it gave us a quarter wood instead, which is a quarter wood is basically when you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bars like this back to back to back, right? So this is a quarter wood here. And that's another signal right there. So that was another very nice trade there. That one was about 85 pips or so. And then we have pound JPY. Same thing here, Asian range, and then we had the move up happen, came back down, came up, and then straight back down. So again, a type 1 setup here, and again we ended up getting the railroad tracks down the second leg. So very easy, clear to see confirmation. And then depending on where you got out, I mean, definitely you got at least 140 pips out of it. So very nice trades yesterday on the pound. Definitely very nice trades on the pound. And the last one that we took was EURUSD. So EURUSD had a very similar thing. So Asian range here, it moved up, came back down, came up, came back down. Actually gave us a second opportunity to put more trades in, and then that was your trade there. All right, so we still got an M formation type 1 setup on EURUSD, and that one, depending on where you got in, so if you got in here, it would have been about 67 pips. If you missed it the first time and you got in on the second time, and you got it from up here, then you're looking at about 75 pips. So either way, very good trades available yesterday during the London session. All right, so guys, comment below. Let me know what you think about these setups. Let me know if you think that they're kind of easy to clearly see and understand. And like I said, if you're still new to trading, you're gonna we're gonna get to breaking down these different types of patterns and the actual strategy and everything like that. But if you are a new trader, or if you are an experienced trader already, excuse me, if you can just leave a comment below, let me know what you think about the setups there. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I just wanted to share some setups that we caught yesterday, and be on the lookout for the next video on ForexU that'll be coming out this morning. All right, guys. Until next time, have a great night. Guys, one last thing. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate the fact that you take the time to watch my videos. I really hope that I've added value in each of the videos that I make for you guys, and I hope that you're learning something. As always, guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please like and share the videos if you found value in them. And also, don't forget to visit our website at www.fxntradinggroup.com. Once again, guys, thank you so much. I'm truly blessed.